Struggling with poor posture? You're not alone. Let's transform it together. Welcome to our beginner's guide to posture exercises. First, let's understand the impact of poor posture on your body. Now, let's dive into our first exercise, the cat-cow stretch. This stretch improves flexibility in your spine and relieves tension. Next, we have the child's pose, perfect for stretching your back. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to feel the full benefit. Moving on to the bridge pose, great for strengthening your core and glutes. Engage your core and hold for 15 seconds. Now, let's try the plank, a powerful full body exercise. Maintain this position for 20 seconds, keeping your body straight. Next, the cobra pose to open up your chest and strengthen your back. Feel the stretch and hold for 15 seconds. Finally, let's finish with the seated forward bend for a deep back stretch. Consistent practice of these exercises will transform your posture and strengthen your core.